What if I told you that your Zone 8 garden is missing the one thing it needs to explode with color this summer? June is not just hot. It is the moment your garden craves the right flowers. Plant the wrong ones and you will fight wilted leaves and bare spots. But plant the right ones and you will get blooms so bold your neighbors will stop and stare. This is not about fancy tricks. It is about choosing smart, heat-loving flowers that actually love June. And once you know which ones to plant, your summer garden will never look the same again. If you live in Zone 8 and want your garden to thrive this summer, you are in the right place. In this video, you will learn exactly which flowers you should plant in June to get bold color, steady blooms, and strong growth even in hot weather. We will keep it simple, straight, and focused on what actually works. You will not hear any fluff here, just real choices that bring results. From heat-tough picks to surprise bloomers, this list is made for your zone, your season, and your style. Let us jump in and plant something worth showing off. Why June is special for flowers in Zone 8. June is the turning point in Zone 8 gardens. The soil is warm, the days are long, and flowers grow fast if you choose the right ones. This is the time when summer truly kicks in, and plants either thrive or struggle. The risk of late cold snaps is gone, and the real heat has not peaked yet. That gives your flowers the perfect window to settle in and take off strong. June is your chance to lock in steady blooms before the hottest weeks arrive. Miss it and your garden may feel like it is always playing catch-up. If you are looking for a flower that never disappoints in the heat, go with Zinnias. These bold, easy-to-grow blooms love warm weather and handle full sun without fading. Once they settle in, they grow fast and bloom for weeks with almost no trouble. Zinnias come in bright colors that stand out in any garden, from red and pink to orange and yellow. Just give them good soil and regular water and they will keep going strong. If you want color you can count on through summer, zinnias are the first flower you should plant in June. How to plant it and what it needs to thrive. To plant zinnias the right way, start with a sunny spot that gets at least 6 hours of light every day. Make sure the soil drains well. You can plant seeds right into the ground after the last frost. Keep the soil moist until they sprout. Once they start growing, water them deeply a few times a week. Do not let the soil stay wet for too long. If the leaves look dry or dull, they may need more water or better drainage. Deadhead the old blooms to help new ones keep coming. That is all it takes to thrive. A colorful favorite for summer blooms. Next up is Marigold, a true summer classic that brings bright, bold color to any garden. These flowers are perfect for warm weather and can handle full sun without any trouble. Their deep yellow and orange blooms pop against green leaves and attract helpful bugs like bees. Marigolds are great in pots, garden beds, or even lining walkways. They grow fast and bloom nonstop through the season. They also help keep certain pests away, which makes them even more useful. If you want a low-care, high-reward flower that shines all summer, marigolds are the perfect choice to plant in June. How to care for it step by step. To keep your marigolds looking their best, start by planting them in soil that drains well and gets plenty of sunlight. Water them regularly, but do not overwater. The soil should be moist, not soggy. Deadhead the flowers often by removing faded blooms. This helps new flowers grow faster. Use a balanced fertilizer once a month to give them a nutrient boost. Watch out for pests like aphids and remove them by hand or with a gentle spray of water. With these simple steps, your marigolds will stay healthy and colorful all summer long. Did you know that some June flowers not only brighten your garden but also help keep harmful bugs away? For example, marigolds release a scent that repels pests like mosquitoes and aphids. This means you get beautiful blooms and a natural way to protect your other plants without using chemicals. Plus, these flowers attract bees and butterflies, which are great for pollination. So, planting the right flowers in June does more than just look nice, it helps your whole garden stay healthy and lively all summer long. If you are new to gardening, zinnias are a great choice for June planting in Zone 8. These flowers are tough and need very little care, making them perfect for beginners. Zinnias come in many bright colors that bring instant joy to any garden. They grow quickly from seeds and bloom all summer long. Plus, they attract butterflies, which add extra beauty to your space. With just some sunlight and regular watering, zinnias will flourish and make your garden look lively without much effort. Common mistakes to avoid with June flowers. One common mistake is overwatering your June flowers. Too much water can cause root rot and harm your plants. Another mistake is planting flowers too close together, which stops air circulation and invites pests. Avoid using strong chemical fertilizers that can burn young plants. Also, do not ignore dead or wilted flowers. Removing them helps new blooms grow better. Lastly, avoid planting in shady spots where flowers do not get enough sunlight. Paying attention to these simple tips will keep your garden healthy and full of beautiful June flowers. One amazing flower for June in Zone 8 is the bee balm. This bright flower attracts bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, helping your garden thrive. Bee balm has red, pink, or purple blooms that add a splash of color. It grows well in full sun and prefers moist, well-drained soil. By planting bee balm, you invite pollinators that help other plants produce more flowers and fruits. It is easy to grow and spreads quickly, so give it some space. Adding bee balm to your garden brings life, color, and energy during the summer months. Imagine walking through your garden filled with bright flowers, buzzing bees, and fluttering butterflies every day. Planting these June flowers now helps create a peaceful, happy space where you can relax after a long day. Each flower you plant supports nature and brings beauty that lifts your mood. Taking care of your garden also gives you a sense of pride and joy as you watch your plants grow strong and healthy. This simple act connects you with the earth and reminds you that small efforts make a big difference in the world around you. Planting June flowers in Zone 8 brings color, life, and joy to your garden. These easy choices will thrive and reward your care all summer long. Start planting today and watch your garden become a beautiful, lively place that you will love every single day.